You know, it's something where they were both and the person the pan and it go up in her ear.
Yeah.
That me want go pan.
You feel something know? You wanna feel something know sign the segate.
So you're making her do this? That's why I don't like you, witch. Oh, stupid. Yeah.
What I go on my beautiful people, for you see the face you don't know, one Maggy Films. If you're new to the channel, welcome on board. Guys, I have a brand new comedy right now for you to watch. See? The first one I gave you guys was Jiggity and Officer Pink Button. Yeah man. So that one here, fresh, right? And the reason why I do them comedy is for buy time. In the meantime, I do some movies. Because I don't know how things that when I come on to the movies, right? Yeah man, so be sure to remember now. Please subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah man. Once the channel grow, so I beg you, just subscribe man. Take 1 second before you watch the video and subscribe man. It's not cost you. See? All you have to do, I make you know say send one little notification to your phone or whatever. Say yo, you know say Maggy Films drop a new movie or one new comedy. See? That's all you know. Nothing. Yeah, that's nothing ordinary night. So watch the one. Big up on yourself.
I saw it not so dark. Oh gosh, man.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah. Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say, I got them picking up the pieces. That mean you really playing with your life, I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like. Hold up, I shoot my shot, wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand. Ay, we on overtime, you don't need to understand. Ay, you just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you can't kiss. Moving fast, already gone, yeah, but you bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog. Just let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing. Keep it moving, what we doing. Cause it can get dangerous. Cause it can get dangerous. Cause it can get dangerous. Ay, please don't play no games with me. I promise I'm too much. Ay, I can never let up even if you had enough. Ay, this ain't for the faint of heart. We always playing rough. I had enough. It ain't luck. I needed a vision, I needed ambition, I needed a mission to be this submission with no intermission. I see the collision, the crash in the distance, they coming off track. No. Now when they ask what's the motive, don't talk like the show. They all about to see what I mean in the moment. I gotta keep going. I'm shaking the dice and I'm keeping it rolling. They already know. Ain't got no other plans. You don't need to understand. Ay, we on overtime. You don't need to understand. Ay, you just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you can't kiss. Moving fast, already gone.
That's something, man. You see, funny one thing, boy. A big stone for your zinc over there for your stopping, boy. Hey, boy, you hear me?
Brother, how are you?
Yo, are you a trouble? My wire, when me choke on the light to you, brother.
Which wire? I'm my wire, them, brother.
I feel my wire, that boy. I said, no, I tell me my wire, them again, boy.
You see me teeth wire?
Hey, boy, you see all you? Yeah, boy.
Brother, I'm my wire, them, you can't tell me nothing. No.
Long more of them in the youth. Long more of them when me choke on the light wire. Long more of them in the dark.
Man, if you know nothing, go on where you go. How are you?
Hey, boy, you are left out, I get her now.
Alright, since I hear wire, come over here, come take one. Leave me for a part.
I told them want a big stone about a pound.
Another, fling you over here now. Fling you over here.
Alright, know yourself.
Buy wire.
Long more of them in the youth.
Me say me can't buy wire. You can't buy wire?
Brother, go, yo.
Can you speak proper English? What do you mean by the place stink and dirty? It's so dirty. Look at these dirty leaves. You bring me this disgusting place. Oh my
Nisi.
God.
Nisi.
What?
Where you born and grow?
Here?
Welcome back to Jamaica.
Right, this
I don't know. I just don't like this pit. Ooh, ew. My God. Look at the dirty water. Ugh. I can't take this. I need to go home.
Come to town.
Damn.
No, man.
Ugh.
No, you ain't born and grow.
I can't take this. You could have brought me to something more better. Just bring me to this dirty ass place. Oh my God. Ugh. Stop. Oh my God. See, look at my toes. They're so beautiful in this dirty ass place. Oh my God. Can you take me home? I don't want to stay here.
You just come.
Okay, and?
Me and my friend there, so we are careful to go look around the place. You know over there?
I don't know this
Yeah,
place.
beach
This place is
club.
stink. I don't like here.
Just the beach park, you understand? How long now she gone for?
What are you saying? Can you stop speaking rubbish? I don't understand what you're saying.
With the beach park.
You're at the beach?
Yes.
Where's the park?
Over there, so.
See park here.
Just have so much attitude. I can't stand you.
Brother, go chop your one wire them, brother, and a lot more of them, brother. Cause you see, a red wire you have over there, so. Where you chop, and my wire that, brother.
I want red wire there.
It's alright, man.
I want this dish. Are you or she?
Both of you. I want to go home.
Hey, girl. You come like you never been home, maybe. Come here, go on too nice now with you.
Does it look like I care? Look at me.
I know your niece that. I know your niece. That's what it is. My niece never go talk to you, so.
Brat, I don't know what's wrong with this brat.
Why? Overseas really a fool, you.
Speak better.
Overseas really a fool, a little girl.
Speak better. You deaf?
Girl, go on where you go. We not bother where you come where you go. Go on where you go. Move. You just getting ignorant.
No.
Go on where you go.
No, this girl's
Call
getting
the cab.
bright.
Come on, know which cab go come here right now. So you don't have no cab out of Jamaica, girl. So
Tell him then.
Oh, shush.
Go on.
Shush, shush. You're talking too much.
Pinky. Yourself.
Hey, me we take some slippers and box her, make she have sense enough.
What time is it, Paz?
I don't know what's wrong with this
explain it
brat.
to
Oh my
her.
God, she's so
Call the
stupid.
cab now.
Will you act smart for once?
Alright, I know here. Pinky, are your niece? We come here to show her a place, so we just show her the place. And then we go to the beach. So we want to store over this, so we go in a store and then we wait to beach. Then you can carry her home. Understand? So just come on. Just come on now. Go. Go. Go.
Oh my God. I can't take this place. Ugh.
Watch out.
Will you shut up? Damn. You're annoying.
No bother with the Pinky. Me tell you something, no bother with it. Even.
Not even after I don't know.
Anyways, welcome to Miss Pauline's shop.
Okay.
You understand? Shop number 16 this. Anyways, we just have to take a look around and see. Look on this something like I mean, no say you love Bam Marley, you know. I like the picture there.
Yeah, that one is nice.
Alright. So like how you come down and you go and stoosh.
You're the one that's stupid.
Buy me the Bam Marley. Yeah.
I ain't buying you nothing. You don't deserve it.
Because you're broke.
You're not worth it.
You're broke.
Don't do that.
Continue look. Which get to which point?
Get to the point. You're talking too much.
Girl, you test me faith, you know.
Hey. Me don't tell you.
You're
No
talking
bother with it. No, me talk to you because you full of too much attitude. Jamaica, you born and grow, come to the country. Listen to me. We plan for come on the beach, go relax and chill. Please.
Alright, I'm going to take all your disrespect them today. But I see for today.
Yeah, after today,
Worry
you do what you
yourself.
want. Be.
Just shush.
Anyway, see some look we'll call them look a cup something.
A shot scope, them be.
Yeah, shot cup. Don't touch, cause I not buy.
I don't like cheap things. I like expensive things.
Right now you can't even show me $100.
Tell her friend to touch the Jamaica one, touch the foreign one, because she not come for Jamaica again.
Man, when you speak properly, just it's so annoying. Ugh.
Pinky, I'm my patient at this now. How go beach? You know come on.
I'm ready. Oh.
Alia,
Pinky.
me say if me not duck her in her water to them, me name Pinky.
Listen me now. Just see if I can get 3D.
So far not test me feet. Stop test me feet. Stop test me feet, girl.
Tell us your niece.
Me not gonna go beach now. My passing place now. It's alright. Call the cab.
What? Oh,
Breathe
Jesus.
strong, man. Breathe strong. Girl, it's just normal yourself, no? A Jamaica this. Welcome home.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me.
Whoa.
Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I'm making
General, listen. Road in
defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the beat.
Road in Anyway, no man. That tight in the man.
I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up.
Out there, see it in the man. See machine in the people. Oh, what call me now? Boss boy, you know. Yo. Bossy, how you go now? I don't see me on the road. I'm up on the road, man. I'm back road, I go and burn, you know. Yeah, I go and burn a piece of scheme road around there, so you see it, cause you know. The boy them around us up on the road, me here, you know, transport boy them and the police boy them, you know. So me have to round us and go and burn a piece of road same speed, man. Yeah, man, everything now, man. The procedure, my boss, man. Yeah, everything active up, man. Activate it, yeah. See it there? Normal, my general. Procedure, man. Yeah. So you know a ball game, bossy, man. Yeah, man. You know I go, man. Me I do that, man. Yeah. Come like someone who auntie dinner, man. Call, man, phone.
Need to understand, ayy. We on overtime, you don't need to understand, ayy. You just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan on
oh, there, man. Anywhere on the side, man. Taxi. Voila, now who said that?
Is I and I?
Come in, Bingy, man. Come in, Rasta. Come in, my general. Road, you know. How you rich?
Round at the shop, yeah, sir.
Long as, sir. Come in, man. Right around the corner. Come in,
put
man.
on the boat, yeah. Hold on, yeah.
You know a ball game set up, Rasta. Come in, general.
Nah, no funds, you know, IRT.
What you say?
No, me I say the I nah, no funds, you know. You know, really stay, so.
Nah, no funds.
No I.
Rasta, funds time, you know.
Me know, man. Me know.
You know, say. And the water run this, brother.
True.
So you say nothing? Not even one bill, you know?
No, not even a dollar.
How far you say I go?
Just around there, man. Walking distance, man.
Where? Walking distance round there, sir? Right around the corner, sir?
Just at one room, I go drink.
Rasta, you can't walk, man. Rasta, right, there, say I go.
I just up there, man. I'm not far, my general. How are you, most man?
You are Rasta. When you say I go have the money?
Friday before the eye gets up, man.
Alright, you want to go on? I make a sign on contract, yeah, brother? I know where you going now. We don't ramp with the money, you know.
So, how your team, man? Where you
No
going,
ramp
sir?
with the mullah, you know, my boss. Yeah, man, I make a sign on contract, man.
Do it, no? Do it, man. Do it.
See?
Do what you do.
I have them, you know, general. Can't remember, you know.
We could all reach already, you know, man.
Anywhere we go, you know, man. Alright.
You move away, general, man. How elder we be, you know, man.
When you
So,
say you
man,
can't pay me?
Friday, me did say, my lad.
Friday.
I kind of hard here and you look
Alright.
like
What your name?
Milton Jones, I name.
Milton Jones. How you spell that?
Spell it, no, man.
Double O.
No! His M start there.
So now, me say, man, I'm still better and feel that man can't spell better. Alright.
Ja.
Anyway, you go now. So you think that. How you spell Milton?
Miltan. Which school I used to go?
Oh. Spell Jones.
Jonz.
Alright. Milton Jones. So you gotta pay this Friday. Spell gotta.
Are you build a word there?
Rasta someone in a school in the youth. You don't know if you spell gotta. Big old man like you can't spell gotta.
God, Oliver Jamal and teach that, me G.
This a come like a joke. Big old man like you can't spell gotta, youth. No, sir. Alright. Milton Jones, gotta. Rasta, me did it, man.
No, you not tell me I can't jump in a car in my youth. As some
Go
people
on.
say go on and tell you.
LP.
P.A.
Yeah, man, I say if you did it, man, Rasta, man, in a school, you go like in a school, youth. Gotta pay this, this Fry F-R-Y.
Jaja, come here now.
Yeah, B-A-Y, right? Alright, come sign as a Rasta. Come sign with X there.
Rasta na sign with X there no IRT.
Yeah, sign. You know turn up yourself. You turn up yourself then.
Babylon thing there.
You know what? Cause I come like you're an idiot. You can't go take man carry out the money and I want to sign a contract, Rasta, you're an idiot. You come like you're my friend, say, man, you're an idiot.
Come down now, taxi boy.
Hold on. What you say, Rasta boy? What you say, while ago?
You're good, man.
Hey,
So,
what's up now?
Me see how one you are.
Hey, restaurant jet boy. I'm here deal with boy. Eh? I'm here deal with. You know, sister, someone can't go up a boil. Eh? Right now, if you go up a boil like licking your blood clear, that me I tell you out. You know, see it? But I need to come down now. You know, say you need to go up now. You know, see how long you come down. Acha. Rasta, you know, sister, the calabash drop out of here, and then sister, calabash, sister, me attack it out, Rasta. And the calabash, you want a calabash, I want a fire upon your Rasta. You know, sister, your locks now grow. Yeah, man, a poor Kyle, me don't start call you. What go on, poor Kyle? Oh, tired, Alaka.
Yeah, I don't like here. Dirty ass place. Ugh.
What's your way I don't know?
Right, that's why I'm going to sit down.
I'm not going there. There's no way I'm going there. You can go. I'm so skinny. I need some food.
You need to have respect for your auntie, how skinny.
Who are you to tell me what to do?
If you have respect.
Bye.
God. Now look at drink there.
Woo!
No respect.
What's say?
You going to water?
No, what?
May I put my foot in the man?
No, what's say? I want to go buy one boat clothes and then there.
You know, it's something where they boat and the person depend and it go up in our ear.
Yeah.
That me want go on.
Go on, take it again. Watch now. Watch your boat.
But not look like it a move too much. It's just a rock.
I need some sunscreen.
Listen.
I need some sunscreen.
You need some sunscreen?
Yeah, the sun is burning me. You know, I'm really trying to be respectful, but
I need some sunscreen.
You keep doing something I don't like.
Me hear you call me skinny girl.
You are skinny.
Shenanigan.
You are a bone.
Refugee.
You are a bone.
For yourself.
You're a skeleton.
Wait.
You see, I'm trying to be nice to her.
You're not being nice.
Hey, shut up. I'm talking to you.
Shut up. You see the carrot where I am? I see a shape like improper
If you
fraction.
ever, Brad, if you ever
Listen,
play her.
sit down enough.
Skinny girl wear. Man want me, man want you.
Of course.
Man there with you?
Yeah.
I tell nobody so.
Remember,
No man know why you. No man
you're
not
with
there
poor
with you.
people.
No man not there with you.
You're with poor people.
No man know.
Man,
Hello. You want her?
No, they don't want
They don't understand you.
You better enjoy for yourself, you know. You see tomorrow?
Hey.
Me a carry guy here for
Speak
fling you
proper.
down.
Speak proper.
You're the guy you yard tomorrow.
Speak proper.
you. I go to your yard tomorrow.
You're so stupid. Oh, rubbish. Girl, I'm ready.
Pinky, calm. Breathe it with Pinky. No fun her.
Why does she need to breed? Isn't she breeding?
She don't know you want to lick in your face.
You need to lose some weight.
I'm holding by here, man. I'm pulling go straight out there. So.
Oh, not because yours are fake. You have to wear fake hair. Relax. Whale. Oh, stupid. If you ever, I smack that smirk off your face.
Go on. Yeah, just
Don't touch me.
ready.
So you're making her do this? That's why I don't like you, witch. Oh, stupid.
Upset, girl. Nonsense.
Yo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yo, me making name son, you know.
I said I'm sorry.
No, just get about him. Left him. She said he's sorry. You really come on. Today was a good day.
Yeah.
Overall, today is a good day. Tomorrow,
But
airport.
It wasn't a good day.
tomorrow airport there, man. Tomorrow we are ship him like how they ship Haiti.
Let me ship
so.
your ugly self so you can get pretty.
Just make we go home.
Girl, shut up.
Girl, me tired to beat you.
You will?
I seen
Yeah, your niece. Please
Girl.
talk to her. She wouldn't want me to put my hand in pan you. You wouldn't want me to drop the wheel pan her.
Just relax, man, cause
Oh,
you know
yeah.
feel say she can manage for your hand them.
Hate you.
Make sure I tap down them, man, because some boy must be face. Boy, Bojo! Brother, me even want to take now. What in a Bojo? Brother, help me about hold on again, brother, with my wire them, brother. Today is a new day in a Bojo. Don't hear me in a youth. Yeah, bossy. You know, hear me? No, I told my credit loan I can't to you, man. Yeah, hear me now? Yeah, what you say now? What you say? Pick up the car, you know. Boss, you're full time now. If you give me a car, the car home on my yard, you know. Yeah, Gary, somebody but they're not thief, boss. General, we run boy, yeah, in a general. Alright, what you say, down, the key down the block? Alright, me come collect the machine right now. So you know, should have throw gas tonight, my boss. Yeah, your family go last night and not throw no gas tonight, boss. Alright, me throw gas tonight now then. Yeah. Boss, it's mean, you know. Yeah, boss. Yeah, me get the merchandise, you know. Miss Daisy, everything good? Alright. So when you give me a vaccine for roll, boss, cause tell her this one, you know. You know, take that one from Paul and give me, man. Yeah, go like someone on a top driver in the road, bossy. Alright, me go and rock that one, you know. Alright. Oh, let that one fine. I give one Chris all box if there, I give man this. Fool and take one for. Some ungrateful dog. Thing good, man. See taxi aina man. Watch on man. Out aina man. Yeah, me general. Sab, we are going now. Portmore. We are going Portmore now, man. Sab Lamar. Poche. Nigel. Oh, a Nigel me there. Anyone not going now? People see me now, man. See taxi on my general. Anywhere now, man. Anywhere now. Nice lady. Where you go? You good? Anywhere you going now, my friend. Road joy you do. You know what? What you say? Nothing for me? Now go up the road there now. Go up the road there. Don't say nothing now. Go on for don't say. Hold on, my teacher. Hold on.
Yeah, girl. No bother with the man. Me can't get to follow on go on out airport today. Me I go busy. Moreover, me don't like you little niece so you have there. Cause if me follow you, probably I'm looking in your face today. Yeah. But see, anyway, I come here. I want taxi anyway, man. You're not gonna know who I want new taxi. Yeah, me tell us I go on the road go check somebody. That's why I can't come. You alone have to go deal with her today, you know. I can't come. The taxi will come so later. Alright, girl, later. See taxi them.
Oh, yes, my friend.
Yeah. Alright, later.
Normal procedure, man.
Me call you later, yeah?
Anyway, you say now,
What on?
Strong up round the door. Come here now. Where you go?
Me they go up a brownstone.
Brownstone. Anyway, no. 3 grand for that in the car.
3 grand?
Yeah, 3 grand carry go that.
Alright.
Yeah. A normal procedure, mama man. You look nice though.
You want thanks.
Hey, well, look good enough, my friend. Tell me I told her that, man.
Boy, my niece, even though you're fiery and no manners, I gonna miss say no.
I'm gonna miss you too. So is this where the cab go?
Yeah, man. Taxi always run here, so.
Cab.
Okay, the cab always run here, so.
Okay, good job. You need to learn to speak more better so I can understand you. So when you come to America with me, no one won't bully you.
Me come America with you.
When you speak, you sound retarded, so you have to speak proper.
Is it true? Me go ship you off. Talk all you want.
Not a goods. It's only goods you ship off, or shoes, or, you know? You can't do that.
Alright, listen. When I come back,
I'm not coming back. I'm gonna bring you over so you can have manners. So I set you up.
If you can't dash piece of water for me.
I set you up with one of my sugar daddies. So yeah, you will learn manners because he will deal with you. Remember that you like white
when me
niggas.
give him an uppercut, tell him to deal with me.
What? Pardon?
I wear taxi there, the man.
It's cabs.
Where the cabs there? The cabs them take too long, you know.
Oh my God, you're so stubborn.
Where are the cabs? They're taking too long.
Alright, good job. You're doing good. Then you can work. Don't look at me like that.
Oh, what? That brown in the green, man. No, I'm not going to school, you know. What you remember? You not remember. Hello, ladies.
Taxi.
Not do me that, my friend. Don't do me that, my friend. Watch out now. Watch out now, man. I want to go in, my friend.
Alright, so we are going to Songsters International Airport.
Songsters. Watch out now, man. Anywhere not going, but you know. You see this, look for the good and a taxi, you know. I've been on my drive, my friend. Not you see me with this, you know, while I'm locked off, you know. Not you see me with this drive, you know, my friend. Watch out now, man. I sham me on there, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Because watch out now. I straight be my drive, my friend. Believe me. I got up to heaven, I tell you.
Yeah, I got up to heaven. Now that we are come.
So watch out now. Where's the now reach?
Songsters.
Songsters.
International Airport.
Oh, the airport. Hey, my friend, let me show you something. Atlanta, me used to live, my friend. Atlanta, me travel every day. Look here, man.
Where at Atlanta you live?
Which part?
Yeah.
We're in Atlanta. Me don't live there. Me just travel there. You know, you say Atlanta you're from?
Yeah.
That is where you're going now?
Yeah.
Everybody in Atlanta don't know me. So how you don't know me? Everybody in Atlanta,
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Them call me Richard Line. Richard Line.
So do you know pipe maker Bufflin?
Pipe maker Bufflin in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Hey, my friend, what that? Every day me down there, my friend.
You said, what did you say your name?
Every day.
What do you say your name is?
Them call me Richard Line.
So can okay, I'm gonna call my auntie and ask her if she know you, because she knows everyone. Yeah, since you say you're...
You don't have to do that, you know.
Okay.
Your auntie could have all know me one way, but... Where's son, ready?
We all ready.
Come in, man. Remember, I tell you, man. I'm not charging you, because you wanna look nice. I'm not charging you. Remember, I told you, come in. What up on the seat now?
What type of man is this?
If I charge you, remember, I tell you, man.
Can you open this?
Oh, up me a small part there.
No, you come do it.
Oh.
No,
It's
this
out.
one.
I don't wanna.
I go in front.
No, two. You saw one kind of wet up on way. Travel, man.
Okay.
I be my drive on them something, my friend, man. Believe them, man.
Thank you.
Believe them, man. I shot me on them, man. Hold on there. Can't come here 1 second. Me a slam. This have to slam. Alright. Believe them, man. Yeah, man. So me I tell you, say. So me I tell you, say, them side, man. Cause two, me rich on them thing, my friend, man. Yeah.
Remember say, a Songsters International Airport we are go. So remember.
Songsters. Watch out now. You see, anytime I travel with my friend, I'm more be away me always go, so I don't really to know the side of the airport there. I want a town you normally go down.
No man. I wanna mobile me attack.
Oh! Joke me man, I told you too, is it? I check me a chicken man.
Oh!
I know some mobile.
I just don't say you don't know where they go.
No man, remember me tell you say now. I be a traveling, I traveling with my friend and I pay a big man Benz and them things that I drive. You know what I say?
Okay, alright.
Yeah man, right I know what I tell you say now. And I really taxi me I run you know. But just I go and do this car. Yo, I'm showing you something now. Mocha. See?
Yeah.
C-Tac. And the whole of them right now I pray me I look for my car. It's a told me do money laundry. Carry down enough money and things on the plane and you know a normal procedure and them things you know.
Okay.
So them kinda pray me one way.
Yeah.
So I stay a boom and now and come down and just stay a boom and park up a bit man one part and stay a boom. You see it?
Yeah.
But a regular we stay a boom man and drive out all the big man stay so you know.
Yeah.
And go on a party and them things and shell all around 700,000 for brawling.
That is it.
You see it and stay so watch now. You see all the youth and you know me get the name near Richard Lie. Eh?
Oh you get it.
Better not tell me how me get that name there.
Rich and alive.
Watch now, you see like when I come so yeah, I tell you me get a name there. So one night time my friend. I got one party I said 800,000, you hear me? You see me in the mirror?
Yeah, see man. Yeah.
800,000 my friend. And one youth not see me in the road the next day. And the boy knows that I shell the place and buy the NSC last night, you know. And you know, that boy you're rich, you know. So I have to say, yo, hello. Cause to me now nobody say, you see me?
Okay.
So one little youth now turn artist. Year the thing and one little artist youth, I'm tap us and tell her what I go. You stay a woman now and hear what I go and say. That thought they sound good in a richer line, you know. You know?
Yeah.
So I youth there and Joshy and I say from the youth just take my style and touch the road and talk about richer line, way. But yo, I saw his badness come down man. So yo, give me a step or so. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Oh, shut up this. Be on then. Give me a second, yeah?
Yeah man, shut up.
Shut up this and forward. Yeah man. Yo, Bantan. Yo, whisper Songsters International Airport there, brother.
What you say, brother? What you say?
Yeah, bad dog, man. I whisper Songsters International MG. Songsters, brother. Songsters International Airport, brother. Where that there? Might be away. Oh. So you said just look out anyway, plane them now lift up from. Oh. A procedure, man. Where you said just locate anywhere plane them lift up from. Me find it, man. Yeah, man, me have some client that can go over there, you know. But two one of them never really travel yet. They don't know go over there. So me I say, yo, you know. My G. Procedure here. Yeah. Someone now call man phone. Browning, sorry about that there. Sorry about that. It's a youth when I know man in a top call me yo. I talk about way want credit like say yo. I want some boy like my girl man. Yeah boy, if you ever call back you say youth. Sorry about that man. Oh, what on now? You know, say two me did come right so I get more service right so. So that's how I come and say, you understand?
Yeah, man.
And the way they will really go, yeah? Yeah man, I service me I look for you so man. I said no plane. Hold on, let me turn back yourself, cause yeah, turn back yourself, cause watch you know. I want much a clock right there, my friend. What's o'clock right now? 6 o'clock.
Why don't you turn back?
There was not enough time, man. At 5 I don't know.
Calm down.
At 5 o'clock I don't know. Still them big bus there. Them big tourist bus there. Me used to travel on them hard. Well on, we are turn back at the car. Turn back at the car, I don't know enough. I said no plane in the here.
Richard, I.
Eh?
You know what? Just drive.
Oh, hold on, man. I know where I'm going, my friend. That's cool, now. What do you know? What I'm doing now? A fool and tech man for man. No, I don't know, man. No, I'm rich. Watch out. Jeez and peace. Watch out. Car, lock up. Watch out.
What? Where's the body car?
It's a little procedure, miss. Just hold it over yourself, man. Hold on, my friend. Hold on, you know.
No, sir. What happened? Richard, I. Not tell me, say. I brought the car, brought down park your roadside.
You know what I'm saying? I guess you run out of. But a simple procedure. You wanna, it's to a beam on my drive. You wanna, my friend, it's to a beam on my drive. This machine, you wanna, 87, them selling down a gas station feet. But two beamer user, 88. And more, I'm sure 91 and 90. That's it. So that's why, man, a simple procedure. Hold on, let me check your gauge.
When you come to Jamaica.
Hold on, no. A minute there. What's that? Procedure, man.
Come to Jamaica, far. What do you mean?
Hold on, I was showing up me one. Oh, yeah, man, that one.
If you never come here, mood I go to them.
So, I'm dealing with it.
Yeah.
Don't know, star. Come like them, man, a salt, brother. Don't know. John, my friend, man. John, you know. Hold on, you see this? I exterminated this. This have to come to tighten up. Yeah, this I control this right, I say. You see it? Yeah. So you don't know, say. You batch here now.
Then Richard, I.
Yeah.
You said the gas run out. Now run the safe for there, check the gauge. What you do run so?
No, watch out now. Gauge. Alright, watch out now. You see now, be mama drive, mama. It's a button you press. Two minutes used to this. It's a button you press to a room. You see after you got a room. It's like something that's come down so out of the top of the vehicle. And come down and you stay stop up on it. It tell you like say, gas is done in now. Go and buy gas like in the next half an hour. And this is go be on the reserve that you're on. You understand?
Oh my God, this is so embarrassing.
What's on? Alright. No, I just look around and say everything good. I know side. You think something I know? You want to feel something I know sign the same gate. Look, stand there. Come on. I forgot airport now, man. No piece. What on now? What on there? No. Miss, I them thing that you come from a foreign. Watch out now. You come to Jamaica, come say we crazy down here. So when you don't crazy up there. Enough time you travel up there, I don't call nobody no crazy up there. Look here now.
Talking too much. I'm ready.
What on now, man? I'm going to buy some gas and come back. You can't wait off in the car, I don't want to wait off. Which one?
Oh my God. We wait.
Wait off in the car, I'm going to get some gas and fall. You my friend? Procedure, man. I just fast move. I have a back around or something. A fast move and I come back, man. See me find a bag because I don't know we can't make them know so rare. Hold on, my friend. Can't make them know, you know. Some people just do, you see me? Inquisitive in a thing, man, my friend, man. Have a back right or so you know a ball game set. But so far, my friend.
Oh my
Car couldn't hear there.
Woo! Oh,
Watch out.
Jesus.
But so far, you know. Here.
See where you bring me in.
Yeah. Girl, I come out and suck, brother. Hey, nice ladies. Good day, man. You alright?
Yeah, man, we good, man.
Yeah, man. Good day, man. At 5:30, I know you have to catch a plane, man. Yeah. Hold on, then, my friend. I wish I not meet again. This. Oh. Yeah, man. Gas there, my friend, man. See it there. Nice ladies. Yeah, man. Procedure is it. Leave my itching them, man. Oh, some boy, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, my friend. Put this away back there now. Put this away back there. Show this over there now. Ready road now. Alright, my friend?
Yes. We just want to...
Oh my God. Sorry about that here. You gas smell away, don't you? Oh God. Yeah, man, I saw you think set, man, my friend, man, a procedure, you know. Yeah, my friend, so watch out, man. Most apologies, yeah, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Nice ladies. Yeah, man, I don't know what's going on. So I do some little thing, cause watch out, you see more some little mishaps happen. You happen for a reason, you understand, cause I'm a while, you know. You don't know if you plane, you're going to run out of gas, too. You understand me, I say? So it's better this run out of gas on the ground, cause I don't know. Some little mishaps are going on. You understand me, I deal with my friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. A procedure, man. So what's now? How it's a call me, man? Yeah, who a call me? Yo, Harlem. Yo, Brett, me know you call my phone and ask me about no wire in the bed. I want to me rich in the youth. I want to you know. What kind of wire is man live and no get a youth? No be a big house, man, have youth and them something the youth. You know, top tell a youth. No be a big house, me have and them something and be man me drive youth. How you come call man ask me about wire for brother? Eh? You see me living and I get a youth. I want to a boy. You see me living and I get a youth. Why you call me phone ask about wire for youth? But me skate and I feel one wire. Brother, I'm not living in a ghetto. I'm not living in a garage, brother, and I'm to you. Come off my phone, man. You're out man. Sorry about that. You're my friend. I know some why am I selling now? Why am I selling them things, my friend, man? Because I have a place where you camera up, like a well camera up, you know. And one customers come the other day and come stay some woman buy one roll of wire. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I come to some woman now and make mistake and take back the wire and put back in there. But the camera up there, so I don't know nothing. A procedure. Take up it back and put it in and then get it back. Yeah, man, so what now? Give me a stop, so hold on there. What time now? Eh? What time, my friend? That's top of it.
Half a 5.
550. Hold on. Pass more. God, no, youth.
What do you think? How much you look up in the sky, so? Look here. I watch out now, sir.
Yo, bad man, nobody have the phone and shit, brother. Yo, I'm not saying no plane up in the sky, brother. I'm not there, brother. I'm not seeing no plane up in the sky, brother. I want to tell you what. Where you say airport there, brother? Yo, listen to me, I say. Yo, come on from the phone, brother. I don't want to send, brother. You're not even travel yet, youth. You never travel yet, youth. Sorry about that, my friend. Here. You know what I say? Yes,
How are you?
I'm a bad feeling like say you're like a choke, man.
I'm gonna be late.
I have a bad feeling, my friend, man. Do me a big. Hey, anyone else can drive?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah?
How are you?
Well, my friend, man, I have a bad feeling, my friend, man, you know?
I need to go to the airport now.
Anyone else can drive?
Are you kidding?
You can drive, my friend. Come drive the car, go over there.
Alright.
Come, my friend. Feel like I'm a choke, man. Hey, my friend, let's go and do it. Hey, look at now. I'm not good, you know. Because enough time I got fire, you know, I'm late to the plane and the security I do let me through, you know.
Just come.
Hold on, my friend.
Come in the car.
Yo, man, the security will let you in, yeah, my friend, because enough time I late as I say I got fire, you know. And the security let me through, you see me? Yeah, man.
You sure you don't want to go to the hospital?
No, man. I just want to make sure I send the kids to the airport. Me go hospital next, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Richard, let me know you're dead for me, you know.
No, man.
Sure, then to me, I can't bother with it, no, man.
Go on, man. I'm good, man.
Sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, kids, girls, boys. Look, I so now watch up this thing now, now subscribe to the thing, you know. I see when I get all the views now, now subscribe, you know. Want to subscribe, now like, want to like, Want to watch what you think, they want to subscribe. Because I see you know, they're watching for a long time. You know. Want to do it. Long time I want to know. Share it. Your granny, your auntie, your sister, your mother, your brother want to know. Share it up. Like, subscribe, watch out the movie them. One Maggy Films, never two. Subscribe now.
So na so dark. Oh gosh, man.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.